How to pay for parking using the Pay and Display Parking meter. To begin, please select either coins or credit card as a payment option. To pay with credit card, insert your credit card into the credit card slot that is located at the top right corner of the meter. Press the Time button located beneath the credit card slot to purchase time. The rates and session time will be displayed on the screen. Select the amount of time you wish to park for. You can also purchase the maximum time by pressing the Maximum Time button. To pay with coins, insert coins into the coin slot that is located at the top of the meter beside the digital screen. Continue to insert coins into the coin slot to buy more time. The amount inserted and valid time is displayed on the screen as coins are inserted. To submit your transaction, press the green Print Ticket button that is located at the bottom right on the meter's interface. Please note that parking meters do not return coins or change. Ensure you enter the correct amount before you agree to the transaction by pressing the Print Ticket button. Your receipt will print and be dispensed out of the bottom right of the parking meter. Please take your receipt. Visibly display your receipt on your vehicle's dashboard facing upwards. Proceed to your destination.